Hey everyone, so I wanted to share this do-it-yourself nativity set that I did. So first of all, I purchased this $14.98 nativity from Walmart. It's just kind of a basic one. And then I also purchased this Rust-Oleum Chalked Paint. Now you can use any kind of white paint, but I wanted a matte finish. So that is why I chose that. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull off these figurines. They are attached with some type of glue. And then I labeled them so I knew where to put them back after I spray painted them. Also, don't do this. Next, I sanded the bottom of each of the figurines to get off loose material and just these pieces of fake grass, just so that the spray paint would adhere a little bit better. Put them in a box and lined them up so that I could spray them. Here is the Rust-Oleum Chalked Paint. Once again, shake it really, really well. Also, look at their faces and their mouths. I really wanted a whited out nativity, mainly because these characters are always really gaudy looking, and my house is mostly neutral colors, lots of whites, grays, beiges, and so I wanted something that would match and be cohesive with my house, and also something that I could use every year. I feel like this is more of a classic and it will never change in style, so I don't have to worry about ever purchasing more nativity sets. This is my first because my husband did not really like nativity sets for Christmas, and so it's been like 10 years since I've owned a nativity. So I did break this little guy, so I fixed him with a hot glue gun and just spray painted one more time over to kind of hide that, and I think it did a pretty good job. So now I am just gluing down these figurines. I just followed the same numbers that I wrote down in the very beginning. So here is me putting the broken wise man down. And here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. This is what it looks like with the light on. I really like it. I think that it is very classy looking and such an easy project to do. Thanks for watching.